y'all, welcome to Valley Soap's YouTube channel. Today we are working on an embed for our soap we will be making on Saturday. This will be an ombre style soap, and first we're going to need to melt some clear melt and pour. So I'll be right back with this melted. Okay, so now that our melt and pour soap base is all melted up, we are going to color this black. And to do that, we're going to use the activated charcoal from Nurture Soap. And I'm going to mix it all up. So if you have chunks in here of activated charcoal like I do, the best thing for you is some alcohol sprayed in here. Alright, so now we're going to take our mold, and today we're using the diamond shaped mold. And we're going to spray this really good with rubbing alcohol. And then we're going to pour our mix into there. Alright, so now that I have made a mess and our black diamonds are poured, I'm going to leave this for just a little bit, probably 20 minutes, and then we are going to pop these out of the mold and stay tuned for what we do next. Okay, now we are back to unmold our diamonds. So I'm just going to pull them apart from each side. And then we'll pop them right out. Alright, so next up we will clean off the edges of these little diamonds. Now that our diamonds are all nice and cleaned up, we have added some of the shimmer pearl mica into just a little baggie here. And we're going to add our diamonds into this. Now it's time to roll these around. So here are our finished diamonds. So now we will move on to making our soap, and then we will get to use these embeds for the top. Alright, so if you'd like to see how that soap is made and how we use these embeds, be sure to come back on Saturday and watch that video.